and it goes like this. Dave, would you be so kind?
I still remember when we used to be 9 years old. Hey, yeah, I was a fool for you from the bottom of my soul. Hey, now that you're wrong, I'm not to know. Hey, yeah, you wanna leave me, you want to let me go.
Say, how did Sound Investment Band do, Mike? How did we do for you tonight?
You did excellent.
You were unbelievable.
You guys were
okay?
I love it.
How did we do? Okay?
That was great. You guys were a great time.
People were on the dance floor the whole night.
Thank you, man.
Molto bene. Bravissimo.
Bellissimo. Okay. That's beautiful.
He knows.
Thank you. Thank you. Katie,
Yes.
how did Sound Investment Band do for you tonight?
Awesome. Thank
You were totally, absolutely positive.
Everybody loves you. The officiant and band guy.
Good, I'm glad. You had
Thank
fun.
you.
You know what? I've been to a lot of weddings. You did a really good job.
Thank you. Appreciate
You
it.
really did. You kept them relaxed
Yep.
and kept them under control, but at the same time, you kept it moving where it needed to go.
Were we good enough? Were we good? You were good.
Is this what happens when they don't have enough money to pay?
Yeah, exactly.
I told Philip, I said, I want this place to lost, and he did that.
Thank you. I appreciate it, man.
And a club member already came up to me tonight and said, they were sitting there having drinks. He
Yeah.
said, who is this fantastic band? And my daughter's getting married in like
awesome.
6 months
We'll
or a
get
year.
word.
So they got, I think, somehow they got your card, I
Thank
think
you
so.
very much. We appreciate it.
Oh my God.
Thanks for having us.
I'm telling you.
What's your our video?
You were wonderful.
Thank you.
And the service, everything.
What's-